Hey guys, Moisan here and welcome back again to my channel where we talk about nursing in skincare and hair care. In today's video, I will give you guys some important tips on how to reduce oxidative stress on the skin, and I will also share with you guys my honest review with using my new 10% Niacinamide Serum. So are you guys experiencing or noticing something like this, and like this, and like this? Well, these are of course visible signs of aging, and we all know that aging is definitely normal, but we also know that a lot of factors causes rapid skin aging. There is this that we call the oxidative stress, which greatly affects our skin. Basically, oxidative stress means that the oxidants turn to be greater than the antioxidant systems in our body, which then over time will cause chronic diseases. So specifically on our skin, oxidative stress can cause visible signs of aging such as wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, saggy skin, and recurrent infections. Guys, there are different factors that causes oxidative stress on our skin, and one of them is ultraviolet radiation from the sun, chemical exposure such as pollution, smoking, alcohol, chronic stress, medical conditions, and sometimes the medications that you are taking. I will be very honest with you guys, there's really no such thing as preventing oxidative stress, but we can definitely reduce the effects of these free radicals on our skin. So here are some of my tips on how to reduce the effects of oxidative stress on our skin. Guys, since oxidative stress is an increase in oxidants greater than the antioxidants in our body, it is very important to consume lots of vegetables and fruits to enhance our body's antioxidant properties. This will support our cells in fighting off these free radicals and to help our body to repair and heal. And also guys, try to also limit your intake of highly sugary foods because this causes inflammations and it weakens the immune system. Guys, I'm not gonna talk too much about this because you guys know that alcohol can damage the liver, which is very important for detoxifications, and that smoking can cause damage to the cells and can cause a cell death. Not only on our skin guys, but alcohol and smoking are not good for our overall health. I did a detailed video on the effects of smoking on our face, so go and check it out over here. Guys, the sun is very important for our immunity and to help our, skin produce vitamin D. But guys, just try to limit your exposure and don't over burn yourself because it can obviously cause visible skin aging and worst comes to worst, cancer, and we don't want that. Guys, sleeping is, very important to reduce oxidative damage on our skin. Having that complete 8 hours of sleep helps our body to repair itself and to detoxify. It also enhances and strengthens our immunity, which is the key to fight off free radicals that causes damages in our body. So guys, when it comes to skincare, it is very important to use products that has a, strong antioxidant ingredients in them such as vitamin C, vitamin E, green tea, glutathione, niacinamide, etc. So these ingredients are all great. You just have to kind of see what works for you. So regardless whether it comes in a cream or emulsion or serum or whatever, they all work great to provide our skin with extra protection against free radicals. And of course guys, do not forget the sunscreen, okay? It is very important. This helps with preventing premature aging and skin cancer. I did a video on my 5 best sunscreens, so if you guys haven't watched it, go and check it out over here. And so guys, speaking of antioxidant ingredient, I will share with you a Niacinamide Serum that I'm currently using to give my skin an extra antioxidants, to help reduce oxidative stress. But of course, before I share with you guys my honest experience with this product over here, let me just say thank you to Yeouth for sending me this free product here. And for those who doesn't know, Yeouth is a cruelty-free skincare line company which produces medical grade ingredients in a registered facility in US. So their products are mainly for anti-aging, mainly in serum forms, masks, and face washes. And their products have been featured in many magazines and news such as Bustle, I think InStyle, the Zoe Report, and Marie Claire. So Yeouth is actually a pretty new company, and I have read that the founder and owner is actually a cosmetic chemist who has worked in the beauty industry for over 25 years. So guys, the product that I will share with you is the Niacinamide 10% with licorice extract, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. Interesting combination, isn't it? So guys, what I have found interesting with this product is the combination of hyaluronic acid, which is great ingredient for moisturization and keeping skin plump, licorice extract, which is great for evening skin tone, dark spots, and redness, aloe vera, which is perfect for post-sun damage and helps with inflammation such as acne, and the main ingredient of 10% niacinamide, which is a great antioxidant and helps supports the skin to renew itself. Honestly guys, there has been a lot of studies with niacinamide that when applied topically, it really does an amazing job in reducing the effects of radicals in the skin in a matter of 3 months. So for some people, 10% niacinamide may be too high and it causes them to have a bit of sensitivities, but I actually didn't really experience any sensitivities with this serum. Perhaps I guess the combination of aloe vera may have buffered it, I don't know, but overall it was actually okay. Okay guys, let's talk about my honest review with this serum. I know it's pretty early to actually do a review on this product since I have been using this serum for only 2 weeks, but what I really like about this serum guys is that it makes your skin have that nice polish effect after application, and it's very gentle on the skin actually. It also is fragrance free, which is perfect if you have sensitive skin. So for 2 weeks I did see a slight brightening effect, and it does minimize the pores. Okay, now the things I did not like about this serum is during application you'll get this slight foaming effect and it gets very sticky compared to the other serums that I have tried where you can actually massage the serum smoothly on your face. This serum doesn't really do that, and if you go and reapply it, it would create those small buildups like tiny gels. I don't know why, but I guess it's because of the aloe vera ingredient and the hyaluronic acid that makes that extra sticky feeling. Another thing is whenever I apply a moisturizer on top, it also creates those tiny gel buildups. So I highly advise that you guys really have to work it out which moisturizing cream would go well with this serum. In terms of moisturizing effect, I did not find it moisturizing. It's more like a sticky feeling and it gets slightly tight on the skin. So right now I am using it on top of my moisturizing toner, and I put a different moisturizing cream on top, and guys, surprisingly it blends well with this serum without those tiny buildups. As I said, you really have to experiment which product would go well with this serum, but overall it is a pretty good serum and I know that it works good. I just hope that they will improve the moisturizing effect and not being too sticky. Honestly guys, if you are living in a humid place like the Philippines, I think this serum would be a great part of your night routine. So guys, would I recommend this product to you? My answer is definitely yes, but make sure to use a good moisturizing toner prior to this serum and try to work it with a good moisturizer also that would not create those build-up gels when you mix it. You know what guys, I'm actually interested in trying out their vitamin C serum, so I'll just wait to finish this product and I will go and give the vitamin C serum a try. So guys, this serum is actually available in different online stores such as iHerb, YesStyle, Walmart, Amazon, and of course their main website at www.yeouth.com. So if you guys are interested in getting a 15% discount, I will share with you guys their discount code, and this is for if you're going to buy it in Amazon. And if you guys are somewhere in Asia, you guys can get it at YesStyle, and I will share with you guys my discount code for an extra discount. So these codes will be available in the description box, so go and check it out. So there we go guys with another nursing in skincare and hair care. I hope that you learned something. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, turn on that notification bell for more updated videos such as this one, and guys, don't forget to share it with your friends and families, and I'll see you guys again next time on my next videos. Bye bye.